You'll have love at first sight with the 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe with bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: 4-cylinder engine, satellite radio, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, MP3 player, 6-speed AT, cruise control. Comfort blends with versatility in bold, modern style in this striking Santa Fe. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.